Bedding has been changed, and as soon as we put the food in there, they go crazy. Look at that. They are happy, happy little chicks. 2 weeks old today. Well, actually, they're 16 days old today. And then we'll put their 3 heat lamps back in there. Hang them on. We have these little hooks right here for them. One more right here somewhere. So happy that they are happy and healthy. We have 54, started with 55. And I think that's the wry neck chicken. Right there. That was the one that had the wry neck. Pretty sure. It's the smallest one. And that is my only indicator. See the size difference? But it's acting totally normal. Body's normal. Eating, drinking, just like it needs to be. It's gonna be 81 degrees today, so I'm going to keep those heat lamps off of them because the sunshine will be plenty. Look how happy they are. Food! They act like they've never seen food before. That's a Cornish Cross Meat Bird for you. See their feathers? See how funny they look? Their feathers don't keep up with their body growing size. And we still have some vitamins in the water. These are the vitamins that we're giving them. Chick Boost, probiotics, vitamins, and electrolytes. The smallest one.
Which one's the smallest one? That one right there?
That's it.
That one right there?
Yeah. Thank you for watching.